welcome back to Maths with Miss Faiza. So now we are learning ratio. We're still in ratio. So we learn how to express ratio as a fraction or percentage. Okay, so let's see now. We have, for the first question, we have the ratio of red apples to green apples in a basket is 1 to 2. So that means this one is referring to the apples. This one is referring to the apples, and the 2 is referring to green apples. Okay, so what fraction of the apples in the basket are red? Okay, apples in the basket. In the basket meaning that we need to write the total. Okay, in the basket meaning it's total. So how is it the total? The total should be, you just add in the ratio. So total would be 1 plus 2, so you will get 3. Okay, so then the apples are referring the ratio in 1 to 2, apples referred by 1, so that means apples is 1. So you just write, supposedly the ratio would be apple to basket. So apple to basket, you have 1, 2, 3, but then to put it in fraction, it will become 1 over 3. Okay, that is all. This is your answer for A. 1A, that is your answer. 1 over 3. You just change the dot become the over here, the per here. Okay, then B, what fraction of the apples in the basket are green? Okay, so I think I'm second, the ratio of red to green. So yeah, that is correct. For question 1 is correct. So then red to basket. Now we are asking for green to the basket. So total basket is 3, green is 2, so it's the same thing. Green to basket, we have 2 to 3, which will be 2 over 3. Okay, so it's B. Question B, number 1. Okay, that is your final answer, 2 over 3. Okay, it's just easy. If you have a ratio of 5 to 1, so your fraction would be 5 over 1. Okay, now let's see for question 3. A farmer keeps cows and pigs on his farm. The ratio of cows to pigs on the farm is 2 to 3. Okay, so you see you have cows and pigs, the ratio of cows to pigs. So 2 to 3. You have cows to pigs. Okay, so what percentage of the animals on the farm are cows? How do you find a percentage? It is better for you to just find it in fraction first, then time it, multiply it with 100%, because percentage meaning that it's 100%, right? So you need to just multiply your fraction with 100%. So how do you do it? Let's say we have here, we are looking for cows, percentage of cows of the animals on the farm. So we have the animals on the farm, we have cows and pigs, so that means the total. So we need to find the ratio of cows to total first. Total would be 2 plus 3, which is 5. Where do we get the 2? From here. 3 is from here. So add every ratios that we have. Okay, so we have the total, we want the cow, so that would be cow to total, which is 2 to 5, which is also equals to 2 over 5. So then the percentage would be, converting it to percentage, it's 2 over 5 times 100%. So you will get 40%. So that is your answer. Always multiply with 100. Once you want to find what percentage, always multiply the fraction or the number with 100%. Most of the time you need to multiply the fraction with 100. Okay, only then you can find the percentage. Find it fraction and then multiply it with 100. Okay, so now B, we go to B. We have what percentage of the animals on the farms are pigs. So pigs is 3, so it would be 3 over 5, or you can just actually 3 over 5 times 100, you can get 60%, or you can actually, because you know that in the farm we have cows and pigs only, so it will, this 2 is already considered 100%. So if you know that the cows are already 40%, so you can just make 100 minus 40. Okay, you can either do this too. So you get 60%. Why do we minus 40? Because 40 is already cows, so the rest would be pigs. So we just minus with 100%, the total minus with 40, we will get 60% as well. Or you can do this way. Both of these ways is correct. Okay, so then the one that I highlight in circle, please do it. And the one that I highlight in red circle, please do. Okay, question 2, question 4, question 5, and then question 6. We will be discussing it during class.